Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to connect your first folder to CloudCowork. So in this video I will show you how to connect your first folder to CloudCowork. So in order to do it, first of all you have to see this sidebar on the left. Here we have three options. First one is chat, second one is Cowork that we will use in this video. The third one is code that we will talk about I think in the future videos. And now, in order to connect your first folder to Cowork, you have to click on that, of course, in order to open this section. And now, you have to simply click on this part. I connected a folder before, but we will change it. So you have to click on that. You have to choose a different folder. And now, I prepared the folder in Documents. And in the right here, we have a test folder. Now we will select that. Of course, we have to allow AI to have permission in order to read and write on this folder. So right now I have two folders right here. I can unconnect that for now, and we will use only this test folder. So inside of this test folder I have two files, as you can see. I have file.txt and script.ps1. This one is script. So this is only for test purposes. This file.txt contains a text. This is an example. And first of all, what we can do after connecting the folder, if you don't know, you can go back and watch the previous video with the overview. I showed you how AI can actually create a file and write something into it. But in this video, first of all, we will ask AI to check if he understands what is inside of the folder to list a file from there. So list all files from test folder. I will press enter, and as you can see, you have a progress bar on the left, and the AI is thinking, running command. And as you can see, we have file.txt with the last modified time and the script.ps1, which is empty because I said this is only for test purposes. There is nothing inside. So we have this file.txt, and AI actually can read what is inside of this file. So I will ask now print me a text from file.txt that is inside of this folder. And if everything is working correctly, we should see the text. This is an example. So again, I will run it. As you can see, here is a content of file.txt. This is an example. So this is how it works. This is how you can actually connect a folder to Cowork. This is how you can use it in a very simple way. Of course, in the future I will show you some more complicated examples. This is only to show you how does it work in the very simple way. That's all in this video. If you are interested in more Claude AI videos, you can leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.